Defence Minister Rajnath Singh today urged Defence Accounts Department to ensure judicious use of financial resources through quick and transparent decision-making, as it is key to strengthening combat readiness of armed forces. He was speaking at the Controllers' Conference organised by Defence Accounts Department in New Delhi. He said there is a need for the department to initiate a process of reforms within itself related to its capabilities, financial knowledge and other key areas. Mr. Singh also emphasized strengthening the internal vigilance mechanism. He stressed the need for timely payment to all the beneficiaries of payment services, including soldiers, pensioners and third parties, and quick resolution of their problems.
आज आपसे मुलाकात हो रही है और मैं मानता हूं यह संवाद की एक महत्वपूर्ण कड़ी मंत्रालय और विभाग में इस तरह के संवाद का सिलसिला काफी महत्वपूर्ण होता है। वाद संवाद नए नए आइडियाज को जन्म देते हैं, इसमें कहीं दो मत नहीं है। इसलिए जैसे ही मुझे आयोजन के बारे में बताया गया, मैंने सहज रूप से तुरंत यहाँ आने की अपनी कंसेंट दी।